The year is 2025, the future is here, and it might be arriving with a pink slip. A recent study found that nearly 1 in 4 jobs could be automated by the end of the decade. That's a quarter of the workforce facing potential unemployment. Think about that for a moment. The robots are no longer a distant threat. They are at the factory door. But before we hit the panic button, let's take a deep breath. Technological advancements have always disrupted the job market. The Industrial Revolution replaced skilled artisans with machines. The information age rendered many blue-collar jobs obsolete. This is not new. What is new is the pace of change. The rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics is happening at breakneck speed. Tasks that were once thought to require human intelligence are now being performed by algorithms. From self-driving cars to surgical robots, the line between human and machine is blurring. Technology is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has brought us incredible advancements in medicine, communication, and entertainment. On the other hand, it has also created a world where machines can perform tasks faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than humans. This is the paradox of progress. As technology advances, it creates new industries and opportunities, but it also disrupts existing ones, leaving many workers behind. The key to thriving in this new era is adaptability. We must be willing to learn new skills, embrace change, and find ways to collaborate with machines. The jobs of the future will require a different set of skills. Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving will be highly valued. These are skills that machines have yet to master. Let's look at some real-world examples of automation in action. In manufacturing, robots are already assembling cars, packing boxes, and inspecting products with superhuman precision. These robots never get tired, never take breaks, and never complain about working conditions. In customer service, chatbots are answering questions, resolving issues, and even making sales calls. These virtual assistants are available 24/7, speak multiple languages, and can handle a high volume of inquiries simultaneously. Even in the creative fields, AI is making its mark. Algorithms are composing music, writing news articles, and creating artwork that is indistinguishable from human-generated content. The lines between human and machine are blurring faster than we ever imagined. Section 4, on the chopping block. So, which jobs are most at risk of being automated? The short answer is, any job that involves repetitive tasks, data entry, or rule-based decision-making. This includes jobs like truck drivers, factory workers, cashiers, and even some white-collar professions like paralegals and data analysts. But it's not just about the tasks themselves. It's also about the skills required to perform those tasks. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving are less likely to be automated. These are skills that are uniquely human, at least for now. Section 5. Beyond human. We are entering an era where machines are not only performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, but they are doing them better. In 2017, a Google AI program called AlphaGo defeated the world champion Go player, a feat that was once considered to be decades away. In the medical field, AI-powered diagnostic tools are outperforming human doctors in detecting certain types of cancer and other diseases. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss. These advancements are both exciting and unsettling. They challenge our assumptions about what it means to be human and raise profound questions about the future of work. Section 6, the human advantage. Despite these advancements, there are still many things that machines cannot do. They cannot replicate human empathy, creativity, or intuition. They cannot understand the nuances of human emotion or build meaningful relationships. This is where humans have a distinct advantage. Jobs that require these uniquely human qualities are likely to remain in high demand. This includes professions like teachers, nurses, therapists, artists, entrepreneurs, and innovators. The key to thriving in the age of automation is to focus on developing these skills. We need to cultivate our creativity, empathy, and critical thinking abilities. We need to become lifelong learners, constantly adapting to the changing demands of the job market. Section 7. The future of work. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. By embracing automation and focusing on our strengths, we can create a future where technology enhances our lives and creates new opportunities. The key is to adapt. We must be willing to learn new skills, embrace change, and find ways to collaborate with machines. The future belongs to those who are willing to evolve. The future belongs to the adaptable.